Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm doing my second eyeshadow tutorial using the Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette. I'm starting off with the color Antidote, putting that in the crease, blending back and forth. This is my transition color. I was using a fluffy blending brush, but then I decided to use like a more dense blending brush, you know what I mean, just to add a little bit more pigment. As I mentioned in my last tutorial, these mattes aren't really that pigmented. You can build them up, but they don't have a lot of pigment. Then I'm going into this chocolatey brown. This shade is called Hexed, and I'm just putting this in my outer V, in the crease, and then in the inner corner. Today I'm going to be doing a halo look, and so yeah, I'm just putting that there, and then of course I'm going to blend this out so it looks a little bit more seamless, a little bit more soft. And if you're interested, my first tutorial is right up there in the eye. You can go ahead and check it out. Here I'm picking up the shade Third Eye, which is like a grayish purple kind of. Putting it in the same areas where I put Hexed, but I'm just not blending it out as much. I wanted this just a little bit more precise, just to deepen the look a little bit. And then I'm taking my concealer for the day, putting that right in the middle of my lids. That way the shade that I put on top, it's just going to make it look more bright and like bam, in your face, like how I like it. For the middle of my lid, I'm taking Meditate, which is a bronzy purple. It does have a shift, so sometimes it looks more purple than bronze. But the beauty of this palette is you have your neutrals, and as you can see, I put them on, all of the mattes. And then whatever color you want to put in the middle of your lids, just go ahead and go for it. Any of those shades would look nice. I just wanted a more purple vibe today, so that's why I chose Meditate. And now I'm going back into concealer. This time I'm concealing my under eyes and then just sharpening up my eyeshadow edges. My concealer routine, you guys know the drill. I'm using Good Karma as a brow bone highlight, perfect shade for me. I love the way it just highlights right underneath the eyebrow, and then I also use it to just blend out the edges of my eyeshadow a little bit. And then I wanted to do a wing today, so I used the Maven Beauty eyeliner in brown. I didn't want something so dark, but this eyeliner is so like rich. It's like a rich dark brown that, you know, you could have used a black, it's the same thing. So here I'm just taking e.l.f.'s HD powder, which might be my new setting powder, I'm not sure yet, but I used that today to set my under eyes. And then I used Third Eye to line the outer third of my lower lash line, and then I blended all of that out with Hexed and Antidote. I put on some false lashes and I called it a day, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. It was super easy. I feel like this would be a nice, like, neutrally Valentine's Day look with that little pop of purple in the middle. I think it would be super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!